I'm just the Incredibles lunch lady because that's what I feel like right now. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have this beautiful Incredibles inspired look for you. If you haven't seen the Incredibles, what are you doing with your life?
It's incredible.
As the name suggests, I decided I wanted to be the lovely little Violet for this tutorial. But if you would like to see how I created this look, keep watching. So to get started, I'm going to put my wig cap on first. As if you have seen my Mad Hatter tutorial, you'll understand the struggles of trying to put it on once you've got makeup all over your face. So I'm going to put that on and use it as a headband to get started. And then I'm just going to put a headband over that to protect the wig cap from the face paint. So to get started with the makeup today, I am using some water activated face paint. So I'm going to be using an orange, a black, a yellow, a red, and a white. Yes, it is red. It looked orange in the viewfinder. And of course, you will want some white here. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to do... This is tough. I think maybe the body first. This could be a mistake. Now I'm not taking this off, I'm not getting naked, I'm just taking it down. So I'm just going to use a white eyeliner pencil, brow pencil, whatever little pencil you got going, and I'm just going to sketch it out and then fill it in because I know my artistic skills are not that good. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that is a terrible oval. Okay, I think I'm reasonably happy with that. Okay, that is the base of it. You get the idea of what's meant to be happening there. And in the middle of the eye, there's a little white circle. Look, it's either gonna fail miserably or it's gonna be great. So, but I feel like all my brushes have disappeared. Okay, now onto the detail. I like to use a nice, like, kind of thin, pointed brush for detail, just because, like, the flat edge ones can sometimes be a little bit too thick. But I think I'm gonna go with yellow first and do the center bit and do the little eye. Next, I'm going in with the orange and doing the little curves. Now the scary part, and that's filling it in. Help me, because I'm terrified. Now I do know that that is not perfect, but I know the more that I fiddle with it, the worse it's going to get. So I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to fill in the white dot and then I'm going to do the black band around my neck and then we'll get onto my face. Now, oh, there goes that brush. Now this black band pretty much comes up to under her chin. It is quite a thick band. Now I do realize that she has like hella huge eyes, but I really don't want to paint on eyes because I feel like with water activated paints that's just an absolute nightmare, especially if your eyelids do get quite sweaty. I know that's a terrible thought, but I mean mine are really hooded so they sit on top of each other and water activated paint just doesn't last. So for the purpose of this I'm just going to keep my eyes as is and paint the mask around it. However, if you wanted to, you could of course paint on those big, delicious Pixar eyes. They're not Disney, are they? Now the mask is pretty simple, like there's no real great detail to it. I mean, I feel like I probably should mark it out first, but you know what I'm not gonna do? I'm just not gonna mark it out. I'm gonna hope for the best here. Who knows how it's gonna go. And I mean, if you wanted to, you could block out your eyebrows also, but I think if I just paint over them, they should disappear enough because it's black. Now I'm going to do one eye at a time and I'm going to set it with some translucent powder in between just so my eye doesn't crease, like I said. So I'm going to let it fully dry and then I'm going to, where did it go? Here it is. I'm going to put some RCMA translucent no color powder over the top just to set it, and hopefully that'll stop it creasing when my eye is closed. There's so much powder. To the other eye now. And then masks. Wow, these masks are pretty big. Like it looks like it goes from like here on her nose to like up here, and it's not this shape at all. So I'm gonna try and do it as accurate as I possibly can, but we'll have to see how we go. I feel like this is pretty much it. I like having it just above your brow so you can still do all of the great expressions. So when you smile, it comes up on your cheeks too. So I feel like I'm gonna keep it at that shape. I don't want to do anything too crazy. I mean, if anything, it might come up a little bit either side. Ugh, it's so tough. Yeah, I think I like that a little bit more. It's just a little bit arched. Now, I think I like that. Now, she does have quite thin lips, so I'm gonna try and conceal some of my lips to make it look thinner, but I'm not sure how well that's gonna go. When you're happy with the shape of the lip, just bake them, pretty much. Just put a bit of translucent powder over so the concealer sets and it won't move. Otherwise, it's gonna be an absolute mess. Now, I do feel like Violet does not have crusty colored lips like me at the moment, so I'm gonna get just a nice kind of nudie pink just to put over them, just so they really stand out that little bit more as well. Okay, so now I'm trying to decide between these three lipsticks. They are the turned up lipsticks from NYX. I just don't want it too bright. Maybe I'll go one of these two. One's slightly browner than the other. Let's try this one first, and this is French Kiss. Oh la la. Now I feel like that's too pink. Ugh, change of plans. I'm gonna try this one. That is called Tiara. Like, it's better, but I feel like it's really bright. Okay, I'm gonna work with that one. Now it's wig time, so I'm gonna take my hair out. I'm gonna take this off. My wig cap's doing exactly what I didn't want it to do. Hi, I'm just the Incredibles lunch lady because that's what I feel like right now. Okay, now I'm gonna pin this down so it does not move at all. You know what's stuck in my head as of late? And hopefully by the time this video is published, it is no longer a thing, and it's Kiki, do you love me? And I'm stupid. God damn crazy at the moment. Like, I've never even listened to the song, but I just know that little bird. Okay, now I want my arms to not look like this, so I'm gonna paint them, but I would recommend if you are gonna paint your arms, leave it to absolute last. Now, she does have black gloves on. That is part of the get up, and I'm not gonna paint them on. I did pick these up for like $3 from a craft store. I'd highly recommend, if you can avoid having your hands painted, to avoid them, especially if you are gonna wear this out, as they will just wear off throughout the day, as well as if you get them wet, they're screwed. Pretty much, that's what it is. Actually, I think I want to make my eyes brighter. So just with the NYX Jumbo Pencil or any white liner, just go and trace the bottom of your eyes. Bottom of your eyes? I mean your waterline. And it'll just make them pop that little bit more. There we go. So there we go, guys. This is the finished look. You could, of course, if you wanted to, make like a little glowing orb of some kind to carry around to kind of show her superpower. I find getting dressed up for Halloween is making your own spin or take on a look. So make it your own, guys. Don't feel like you have to be exactly the same. But thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to keep up to date with all of my Halloween looks, as I am doing 31 days of Halloween this year, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any of the looks. Please tag me if you do recreate any of the looks, as I would love to see all of your Halloween costumes. The links to my Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, which I don't use a lot of, but it's still there, will be down below. As well, all of the products that I have used will be linked down below, so you can find the exact products that I did use if you wanted to exactly recreate it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!